Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Bauer here, and today we are going to be doing some science. And for science today, we are going to be looking at tree bark, not bark like a dog, but tree bark, which is the outer part of the trunk. So, what we're going to do is we are going to read the story. Now, if you want to read it by yourself, you can go ahead and pause. But if you struggle with reading and you just want me to read to you, that's fine. Just keep going. And when we're done reading, we're going to click on this button where it says click here. Okay. This will take us to the next slide, which is this. We are going to be answering some questions about the story. We're going to be finding some facts about this story. So today's Monday. We are going to be doing a fact from this story on Monday. We're going to be doing a fact on Tuesday from this story and Wednesday. So don't do 3 facts today. I want you to do 1 fact for each day. The directions say, when you're done listening to the story, you can come here and write down a fact about tree bark. The fact you write down should be from the story. You will have to find 3 facts from the story, but you will only write 1 fact each day. So let's go ahead and start reading. Make sure when you are reading, or if you are listening to me read, make sure that you are thinking about the facts in the story. So really quick, before we do start, what is a fact? I want you to think about it. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and pause. A fact is kind of like the opposite of an opinion. If I say, ew, I don't like summer, it's too hot, it's the grossest season ever. Is that a fact? Can you actually prove that summer is the nastiest season? No. It is my opinion. That's what I believe in, and that is not what everybody believes in. It's not true. It is an opinion. So something that is true is called a fact. So I could say that birds fly in the sky. Is that a fact? Yes. Can I prove that? Yes. So we're going to go ahead and think about facts in this story and kind of some interesting facts that we can put down in our chart. Are you ready? Okay. The title is called Looking at Tree Bark. Trees have different parts. They have branches. They have many leaves. But do not forget about the bark. It is important to trees. It can help trees in many ways. Okay, so now I'm hearing about, we're going to be hearing some facts. It says, tree bark is important, and there's a lot of many ways why. So let's figure this out. Do you know what human skin and tree bark have in common? Skin keeps our muscles safe. It keeps our bones safe as well. Tree bark keeps trees safe. It can stop trees from rotting and getting a disease. It can save them from getting burned in a fire as well. Our skin can heal after we get a cut. Some tree bark can heal as well. New bark can grow if old bark has come off. Not all tree bark is the same. There are different patterns. The bark on a birch tree is white. It looks as if it is peeling. It keeps the tree dry. The bark on the oak tree is different. It looks like scales on a fish. We can eat some tree bark. Cinnamon is one example. This is a spice with a strong smell and taste. It comes from a tree bark. Trees need bark, and we need skin. Bark can help trees grow to be some of the tallest living things on Earth. So if you need to pause this video, rewind, if you need to go back and look at it yourself, I want you to think of one fact, one cool fact that you just heard about tree bark. Find it in here. I'll help you with one. Ah, I see one. I see that tree bark keeps trees safe. Is that a fact? Can we prove that tree bark keeps trees safe? Yeah, we could actually, couldn't we? So we would put that in, click twice fast. Tree bark keeps trees safe. And if I need to go back and see how something is spelled, right here is where it's at. Okay, there are many facts in this story. You need to find them. Okay, that is my Monday fact about tree bark. I'm done. Don't forget tomorrow, Tuesday, you also have the same thing where you are going to listen to the story again, and then you're also going to find another fact about tree bark. Bye, guys.